Amber Heard was once a rising star in Hollywood, known for her roles in Aquaman and The Rum Diary. But her career took a dramatic turn after her highly publicized legal battle with Johnny Depp. Now, as we step into 2024, the question on everyone's mind is, did Amber Heard rebuild her career after the Depp trial? Did she bounce back, or is her Hollywood journey over? In this video, we'll break down the trial, its aftermath, and where Amber Heard stands today. Let's dive in. Amber Heard's career was on the rise. From her breakout role in Pineapple Express to starring alongside Johnny Depp in The Rum Diary, she seemed destined for Hollywood stardom. But her personal life soon overshadowed her professional achievements. In 2022, Heard and Depp faced off in a highly publicized defamation trial that captivated the world. The trial exposed intimate details of their tumultuous relationship, and the verdict left both their careers in jeopardy. Fast forward to 2024, and the dust has settled. Or has it? Did Amber Heard manage to rebuild her career, or is she still struggling to recover? Let's find out. The rise of Amber Heard. Before the trial, Amber Heard was a rising star. Born in Austin, Texas, Heard began her career with small roles in films like Friday Night Lights and North Country. Her breakout role came in 2008 with Pineapple Express, where she showcased her talent and charisma. Heard's career continued to rise with roles in Zombieland, The Rum Diary, and Magic Mike XXL. But her biggest break came in 2018, when she was cast as Mera in Aquaman. The film was a massive success, and Heard's performance earned her a dedicated fan base. However, her personal life soon took center stage, and her career took a back seat. The Depp trial. What happened? In 2022, Amber Heard and Johnny Depp faced off in a highly publicized defamation trial. The trial stemmed from a 2018 op-ed Heard wrote for The Washington Post, in which she described herself as a victim of domestic abuse. Although she didn't name Depp, he sued her for defamation, claiming the article damaged his career. The trial was a media circus, with both sides presenting evidence, testimonies, and shocking revelations about their relationship. Heard accused Depp of physical and emotional abuse, while Depp's team painted her as the aggressor. After weeks of testimony, the jury ruled in Depp's favor, awarding him $10 million in damages. Heard was awarded $2 million in her countersuit, but the verdict was seen as a major loss for her. The trial dominated headlines, and Heard's reputation took a massive hit. The fallout, how the trial impacted Heard's career. The fallout from the trial was immediate. Heard became one of the most polarizing figures in Hollywood, with public opinion heavily divided. While some supported her, others criticized her testimony and accused her of lying. Professionally, Heard's career suffered. She was reportedly dropped from several projects, and her role in Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom was significantly reduced. Rumors swirled that Warner Brothers was considering recasting her as Mera, though the studio denied these claims. Heard also faced financial challenges. The $10 million judgment against her, combined with legal fees, left her in a difficult position. For a while, it seemed like her career was over. But as we'll see, the story doesn't end there. Amber Heard in 2024, the comeback attempt. Now let's fast forward to 2024. The trial is behind her, and Amber Heard is trying to rebuild her career. But has she been successful? In the months following the trial, Heard kept a low profile. She avoided interviews and public appearances, focusing instead on her personal life and legal battles. However, in early 2024, she began making small but strategic moves to re-enter the public eye. First, Heard gave an exclusive interview to a major publication, where she opened up about the trial, her mental health, and her plans for the future. She expressed remorse for the public nature of the trial, but maintained her stance as a survivor of abuse. The interview was met with mixed reactions, with some praising her courage and others criticizing her for not taking full accountability. Next, Heard began taking on smaller, independent projects. She starred in a critically acclaimed indie film that premiered at Sundance, earning praise for her performance. While these projects didn't have the same reach as her previous work, they signaled that Heard was slowly but surely making a comeback. Amber Heard's career has been a roller coaster, and 2024 is a pivotal year for her comeback. Do you think she deserves a second chance, or has she lost your support? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into celebrity crime and controversy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.